Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, fashion adventurers. In this video, I will explain how to get Circle WhimStars in Infinity Nikki. These unique collectibles are vital for enhancing Nikki's abilities and expanding her wardrobe. You'll find them scattered across the beautiful lands of Maryland, appearing as glowing orbs or colorful balls of yarn. Each one you collect brings you closer to unlocking exciting new features and powerful skills for your journey. To begin your hunt, look for glowing purple and pink orbs in the environment. As you get close, a distinct circular area will light up around the orb. This circle is your designated search zone for the hidden star. Remember, your trusty companion Momo can offer invaluable assistance. Activate Momo's vision to help you spot these elusive collectibles more readily across the diverse regions of Maryland. Once the circular area is active, your task is to find a hidden star-shaped object within its boundaries. These stars are often cleverly disguised, appearing as subtle carvings on walls, small pieces of graffiti, or even tiny star-shaped signs. Be thorough in your search, checking every detail of the environment. When you are very close to the hidden star, an investigate prompt will pop up, guiding you to the solution. After you interact with the hidden star-shaped object, the puzzle is solved. The glowing orb you initially found will then magically transform into a vibrant, collectible WhimStar. Simply walk into it to add it to your growing collection. These precious WhimStars are essential for progressing in Infinity Nikki, allowing you to unlock powerful new abilities and acquire stunning new outfits for Nikki's endless fashion adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.